Okay, by now we have all heard the news. The Supreme Court is allowing the Trump administration to end TPS for Venezuela 2023 designation. Let's talk about it. Hello, guys. It's Andre McKinney Dorval, licensed immigration attorney, and I am back in this video. Haven't posted in a couple of days. I've been at a seminar and I have lots to share. But in this video, let's talk about the Supreme Court's order entered on May 19th. So by now, we've all heard the news. And so basically, the Supreme Court's order is allowing the policy decision of this current administration to terminate 2023 TPS for Venezuela to go ahead and continue while the lawsuit is still at play. Now, what's important to note is that the Supreme Court's order did not address the merits of the case. It just simply allows the policy decision to terminate TPS for Venezuela 2023 to take effect while the litigation continues. Now, interesting is that individual TPS holders, they can challenge their deportation. The only thing is, it's got to be on an individual basis, along with the larger lawsuit that's the subject of this order. Now, let's talk about what can we expect next. The Supreme Court issued the order yesterday that basically allows the government to go ahead with its decision to terminate TPS for Venezuela. What now? Well, as I said, the litigation is still ongoing. There's actually oral arguments scheduled for July on this case. So there is more to come. And depending on how the appeals court rules and whether the side that doesn't win at the appeals level, if they take an appeal to the Supreme Court, there could be even more to come, but we're not there yet, guys. So in terms of additional next steps, I've already said July is going to be oral arguments or more arguments before the appeals court. So the battle continues. Now, in terms of what we may begin to start seeing from the government, and that is the government may start issuing notices of terminating TPS or removals for those TPS Venezuelan 2023 holders. We may be seeing that in upcoming weeks. Now, let's talk a little bit about Haiti in the context of the Supreme Court's decision on yesterday. As we know, earlier in the year, the current administration also made amendment changes to the TPS designation period for Haiti, reducing it from 18 months to 12 months. And so that case also resulted in a lawsuit. And so that is definitely one that we are going to be looking at. But I have to say, guys, with the Supreme Court's decision on yesterday, it does not leave TPS holders for Haiti in a place of feeling very confident or optimistic about the outcome of the litigation. And that is completely understandable. There's a lot happening with all of these cases. And it is important to note that organizations like the ACLU and other immigration advocates who are filing these, massive lawsuits are really the ones holding that front line. And so yesterday's decision, no doubt, feels like a blow. Again, the underlying lawsuit is still ongoing, so there is more to come. And as things continue to unfold, we will definitely keep you updated. But if I could give one more or strong takeaway, and that is if you are someone that is impacted or are a TPS holder or a loved one, be sure to work with and consult with a licensed immigration attorney concerning your immigration matter. So much is happening, guys, and very rapidly. And again, as things unfold, I will definitely keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye-bye.